Justin Bieber overcame his mental health issues. Adele lost 100 pounds. Bradley Cooper celebrated 19 years of sobriety. Elon Musk became the world's richest man. Helen DeGeneres made it from a struggling stand-up comedian to one of the most popular television personalities. Hi, in today's video we're going to reveal the surprising strategies that successful celebrities have used to not only achieve their New Year's resolutions, but also to achieve their long-term goals in a sustainable way. I will take you through them step by step and give you examples of who has used them, in which context and how, and give you techniques to help you to apply them yourself. When followed, these surprising steps can manifest sustainable life transformations. If these steps are truly followed, they will have a significant impact on the manifestation of your intentions for 2024 and for all the years to come. This approach truly sets the stage for sustainable life change. Let's make 2024 our best year yet. Elon Musk was laughed at when he tried to enter the car industry as an outsider with his company Tesla. Look where Tesla is now. The car company you think of when you think of electric vehicles, right? Elon Musk's why for founding and leading Tesla to success stems from his deep concern about the environmental impact of fossil fuels and his vision for a sustainable energy future. He was motivated by the goal of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy through electric vehicles and renewable energy products. This vision was not just about creating another car company. It was about fundamentally changing the way society thinks and uses energy in an effort to combat climate change and promote environmental sustainability. Elon's passion for making a significant positive impact on the environment and humanity drives his work to keep going, even if it gets really tough at times. His why kept him going. He did not plan to become the richest man in the world, but his why got him there quite by accident. Okay, I admit, not everybody's New Year's resolution is about revolutionizing an industry. That's why I would like to share with you the story of one of my clients, Emma. Emma was a committed mother, struggling with obesity, diabetes, and other serious diabetes-related health problems. She wanted to lose weight and improve her health. But her motivation went beyond the usual desire for physical well-being. Her profound why stemmed from a deep fear, the possibility of not being able to actively participate in her children's lives like other parents, and the looming threat of premature death that would leave her children without her care at a young age. This deeply personal and urgent why became the driving force behind her goal to transform her health. This highlights the critical importance of identifying our why in achieving any significant change. Goals are more than aspirations, they are deeply rooted in our core values and life priorities. Setting specific and actionable goals is essential to facilitating behavior change, but it's the why that gives goals a sense of urgency and personal relevance. The why transforms a resolution from a simple wish into a mission with purpose and clarity. Understanding and articulating your why is a powerful process that gives depth and staying power to your goals. It's about digging deeper into your true desires and understanding their significance in your life. Don't settle for the first thought that comes to mind. Keep asking yourself, is this my real why, or is there a deeper reason? Honesty in this introspection is key. It's the only way to ensure that your actions remain aligned with your goals, helping you to stay consistent and ultimately achieve them. Reflecting on your goals through journaling or discussions with trusted friends or mentors can provide further clarity and reinforcement. Invest time in discovering your true why, as it is the essence of your journey. The path to achieving your goals is not just a series of actions, but a journey of self-discovery and commitment to your deepest motivations. Before achieving immense success, Oprah Winfrey faced a challenging upbringing. Her childhood was characterized by poverty, sexual abuse, and a very difficult family situation. Only when she started to work with Tony Robbins on her limiting beliefs, which were formed particularly in her early years, her life started to change significantly. Although her story is very impressive, in my point of view, celebrities always seem so far away. Therefore, let's have a look at one of my clients' down-to-earth story. Meet my client Hannah, whose heart is filled with the hope of finding and maintaining a happy relationship. Yet, with each year, she finds herself repeating the same resolution only to be met with disappointment. Lurking in the shadows of Emma's aspirations are limiting beliefs, silent whispers from her and her family's past that cast doubt on her worthiness and fuel fears of vulnerability. These beliefs, like invisible threads, were intricately spun during her childhood and reinforced by her experiences. Hannah's earliest memories are tinged with the echoes of her parents' unhappy marriage, a union that eventually ended in divorce. This tumultuous background shaped her perceptions of love and relationships. Unknown to her at the time, her maternal grandparents' marriage faced similar challenges. She unconsciously absorbed her grandparents' and parents' beliefs that love ends in pain, relationships are unstable, or commitment leads to heartbreak. These internal narratives, remnants of a broken home, subtly guided her actions and led her to inadvertently sabotage promising relationships. She found herself withdrawing as intimacy deepened, or gravitating towards partners who reflected the instability she had grown up with. Self-sabotage in this context is often unconscious. A person may not even be aware that they're engaging in behaviors that impede their progress. They may attribute the lack of progress to external factors rather than recognizing that the internal beliefs and subsequent behaviors are the primary obstacles. This lack of self-awareness makes it difficult to overcome these patterns. Failure to achieve goals can also reinforce these limiting beliefs. When a person sets a resolution and fails to achieve it, it can reinforce the belief that they are incapable or unworthy, perpetuating a cycle of setting goals and failing to achieve them through self-sabotage. Hannah's journey mirrors that of many who long for love, but are held back by their past. To break free from this cycle, you need to confront these beliefs with awareness. This begins with identifying and understanding the origins of these beliefs. Reflecting on questions such as, what did I learn about love from my parents' marriage? Or, how have my past experiences shaped my view of relationships? Can be a good first step as you begin to heal yourself. Identifying, challenging, and reframing these beliefs is crucial. Therapy or self-help methods can be instrumental in this process, helping you to change your limiting beliefs. It is also important to set realistic and achievable goals. Often people set overly ambitious goals without considering their current abilities, resources, or limitations. Achieving smaller, more manageable goals can provide a sense of accomplishment and gradually build confidence, slowly dismantling these limiting beliefs and reducing the tendency to self-sabotage. Overcoming self-sabotage and limiting beliefs is about awareness, self-compassion, and a conscious effort to reframe negative thoughts. Born in the United States in January 1958, Ellen DeGeneres' journey from struggling stand-up comedian to one of America's most popular television personalities is a story of courage and authenticity. In 1997, as a comedian with her own sitcom, Ellen took a bold and historic step by coming out as a lesbian. Despite initial setbacks, including the cancellation of her sitcom, Ellen's unwavering authenticity only fueled her determination. In 2003, Ellen's charisma and relatability found a new platform, the Ellen DeGeneres Show. Her daytime talk show quickly became a hit, winning numerous awards over the years. Authenticity, a concept with roots in ancient Greek philosophy, is fundamentally about being true to oneself. It involves self-awareness, clear beliefs, individual values, and a commitment to act in accordance with those values. Authentic people are perceived as sincere, genuine, and transparent in their intentions, values, and actions. Yet, most people struggle to be authentic. This is partly due to social pressures and the fear of not fitting in or being rejected. In professional contexts, for example, individuals often adopt work personas that fit the organizational culture, sometimes at the expense of their true selves. This dissonance between work and home personas can lead to exhaustion and reduced performance due to the mental strain of juggling multiple identities. Authenticity is essential for sustainable change and overall well-being. Living authentically allows individuals to focus on their strengths, freeing up mental energy otherwise spent on maintaining a facade. This can lead to improved mental health as the alignment of thoughts and actions reduces mental and emotional friction. Authentic people also tend to have richer relationships, greater self-confidence, and greater commitment to their passions as they engage in activities that truly resonate with them. Authenticity plays a significant role in health and well-being. Authentic connections with others are linked to the health of the vagus nerve, which is involved in various bodily functions such as heart rate, digestion, and immune response. High vagal tone associated with authentic connections correlates with happiness, less stress, better memory, concentration, and overall brain performance. These authentic connections are also associated with better cardiovascular health and immune response. There are many ways to find back to our authentic selves. One of those is the following technique that can help you to find your way back to your authentic self. Imagine how your 8-year-old self and your 80-year-old self would view your life now. Your 8-year-old self might be full of dreams and aspirations, looking at life with wonder and limitless possibilities. What would they say about your dreams and where you are now? On the other hand, your 80-year-old self with a lifetime of experience might focus on what really matters in the long run. Would they be proud? What advice would they give you? This exercise isn't just fanciful. It's a powerful tool to aligning your goals with your true desires and the deeper meanings of life. The pursuit of authenticity, while sometimes challenging, offers numerous benefits for personal growth, professional success, and overall well-being. Another principle helping you achieving your goals is to establish a consistent support system. This involves finding a buddy, family member, mentor, or community to help you maintain your consistency. For example, Justin Bieber emphasizes the significance of surrounding himself with supportive people, including his wife, close friends, and his church community for coping and with overcoming his mental health issues. Sharing your goals, progress, and setbacks with this support network makes the process more enjoyable and ensures accountability. This accountability is crucial to maintaining consistency in your efforts. Think of them as your personal cheerleaders and coaches, celebrating your successes and supporting you through challenging times. The journey maintained consistently with the support of others is as important as the destination itself. Applying these 4 principles will greatly increase the likelihood that you will finally make and maintain the life changes you desire, not just in 2024, but all the years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more practical videos like this in the future. See you in the next video.